Hi guys, postman's bin. Got a little package. I think it'll be an electronic item. Aha, here we are. A little amplifier kit, I think. Yeah, a little bit of soldering to be done there. If you saw a previous Postbag video, I bought one that was ready-made because it was the same sort of price, but I was actually looking for a kit to make. And the ready-made one didn't work. That may be because I'd put too many volts through it or something, but it didn't work. So we got the board layout based on an LM386, 5 to 12 volts, 0.5 to 10 watts. There's the actual circuit. Well, I think we might as well go straight ahead and put it together. We got two 4K7 resistors, one for R7. Well, we've got two together there and one on its own there, so I don't need to measure them because we've only got a choice of 3 resistors. So, resistors. It's got to be that one. I know some people like them all to be pointing the same direction. Okay, three resistors. 4 resistors. Okay, what will be next? Probably those. They're the next lowest in height. 104. Anything else? Not really. If you did see the previous video, this is all about using a solar panel as a detector for light, as in something like a TV remote flickering. And we need to amplify the input from the LED, from the solar panel. So that's what this is. This is the amplifier to amplify the signal so we can hear it. So done that. Next lowest, probably that one. Right way around, and then the LED, probably next one. LED, long leg is positive. Oh God, my brain suddenly got a block in it. I can't remember. I'm sure it's the long leg is the positive. We'll do it that way round. I could check it, couldn't I? Right, how are we doing? Right, DC in. Positive. So we can either solder directly on there, or we can plug that in. I'm going to solder directly on there with this lead. Let's put a bit of solder on there. I'm going to reuse that lead there. These have been soldered before, so they've already got solder on them. We'll just freshen it up a bit. So that one's got to be the positive. Great big blobby lump. That one's going to be the negative. Okay, so that's our power in. Next smallest component. Oh, there's that thing. So that's signal input there. We go on there, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this as my signal input, which is always a bit dodgy if you've got two things that you could plug power into. That's what I'm going to use. So looking at this, one leg's going to go on there, the other leg's going to go on there. I'm going to put that one on there. Okay. So we're not using that, and we're not using that. I haven't put the chip in yet. Right, this one is 10 microfarad. Maybe that one. The grey side goes to the shaded side there. So that's like that. That one is 100. Double check, yeah, that's 100. Again, a grey side to the shaded side. And let's do that one as well. All right. Well, that one we do want. Okay, and speaker, of course, mustn't forget to connect that. So we have a speaker out of my box of bits. So there we are. I think that's everything we need to connect. Need to put the chip in, obviously. I probably should have put that in a little bit earlier, shouldn't I? A little bit awkward to get to now. Right, got it in there now. That was a little bit awkward trying to reach around the camera. Let's connect this fella up. So that's our solar panel. Power. Got an LED on. So if I Point a remote at that. Oh yes, we can hear that, but I'll put the microphone closer. There's my wireless microphone. Put it just there. Press a button. One way. Yes, nice change as we moved around a bit. Yeah, well there we go, that's what that was all about. It was using a solar panel to detect the pulsing or frequency from the, in this case, the infrared from a TV remote. Looks like if I get the angle right, it sounds quite different. Probably driving Nanny wild in the other room with the TV doing things. Hopefully not. Yeah, alright, well that's what that was all about. Check the video description for the previous video and the explanation of what it's all about. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.